Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you everything I picked up from Urbanic. I'm sure you've heard of this app. It is so popular, especially with the amazing discounts that they have. They have good discounts of up to 75% off, really good quality products and really amazing offers. Also, stay tuned while I'll let you guys know a specialized coupon code with which if you use, so you can get additional discount if you are a new user, existing user. So I'll let you know as you're progressing with this video. So this is an app that I have shopped from multiple times, and it's not the first time I'm shopping from here. So anyways, before we just sit here and chat, let's get started with the video and I'll show you guys everything I picked up. I have some clothing, some jewelry, some accessories to show you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one I have is the one I have right now. This is called the Simplicity sweater coat. It is such a nice warm fuzzy sweater. So it doesn't look like very simple. So this is something you can wear even if you are like getting ready for some kind of like party or anything like that, because it has a little bit of that shiny fuzzy material on it, but it's very comfortable and keeps you really warm. You guys know Bangalore is getting really cold. Weather is not consistent at all, and I'm always constantly feeling really cold, so I like a sweater like this that keeps me really warm. I got this one in the size S and a green color. You can also find this in a pink color that also looks really cute, but I did pick up this one because I don't really have anything in this color combination, and I really like to pair this. You can wear it with a little bit of like pearl earrings like I have right now, or silver earrings, and also a little bit of gold can go really well with this. So yeah, this one is like, it fits nice and it's not too tight. I don't really like my sweaters to be really tight because it gets a little uncomfortable, especially when you start to sweat. So it has a very comfortable cozy fit and it keeps you really nice and warm like I mentioned. And this one is priced at 1,890, but you can always find this on additional discount. Pair this one up with any kind of like dresses you like, or denims and whatever you like. It just looks so good, so classy. I absolutely love this one. Next up, I also have this another sweater coat, which is like bright pink and orange. It looks like you're wearing it inside out, but I think that's how the styling is, because even the model is wearing it like that. I got this one in a size small again, and again this is also like not too tight, but it's not too loose. It's a little loose for me. I really like it. It's comfortable. It keeps you really nice and warm. It doesn't feel itchy against your skin as well, and I really like the way this looks. So you can pair this again with really nice bright lipsticks, and it just looks really nice. Even on a dull winter day, when you're wearing an outfit like this, it just picks your mood up. It just makes you feel a lot better. I just wanted something really nice and snug for this season, and if it's getting a little bit too cold during January as well, I can always wear this. You can also wear this with most of your outfit. It pairs really well. You can pair this with any dull looking outfits as well, because it just brightens it up. It picks it up immediately, and yeah, nice for a daytime look. I feel like so beautiful. It has really nice button detailing again, and yeah. Next up, we have this dress, which is a A-line wrap dress, and this is in a polyester material. The reason I picked this one up is because I really love brown color. Nowadays, I feel like I'm leaning more towards brown colors. I really like it. I feel like it looks really nice on my skin tone, and it brings out my eye color and everything when I wear like a brown outfit with brown lipstick. I just like it that way. So back in the day, it used to be black, used to be my favorite color. Then it switched to yellow. Now it's brown. So I'm trying to find as many brown outfits as I can, and that's the reason I picked this one up. So this also looked like a very comfortable dress because it comes all the way below your knee. It's a midi dress, so it is something I can wear on a daily basis, but it is a wrap dress, and so it doesn't come with any buttons or anything of that sort. So figuring out how you are going to wrap this was a little bit of a task for me, but I did get it to cover up pretty well. And it does come with a collar and a long sleeve. It's really nice and comfortable. It is a polyester material, but you don't feel like it's too warm. You don't feel sweaty in this. It's a really nice soft material, and I got this one in the size extra small. And then the last outfit that I have to show you is something I had kept in my cart for a really long time, and I was always like contemplating of buying this because it's a beautiful dress. It's a dress like this one. Look at that. Look at the print of this. It's just so nice and winter appropriate. I absolutely love it. I know it's like sleeveless. You can always wear it with a shrug if you feel like it's too cold. Jacket, you can pair it up however you like. You can also wear this during like the spring summer months. I really like the prints on this. I absolutely love that red flower detailing, and I always choose my outfits according to the lipsticks I can pair it with. So this one I can just pair it with a bright red lipstick and it looks really nice. I I really like this slip dress because it fits nice and tight near the bust area, and it flows. So it's not tight anywhere below that chest area. It's nice and flowy, and it doesn't have any slits, so it's really nice and comfortable like that as well. And it's a nice midi dress. So this one, I got this in the size extra small, and I feel like it fits me perfectly. Now this one is priced at 1,990, but you can always get it on a good discount, and you can get it on an additional discount if you use my coupon code Deepthi25. So this coupon code would fetch you an additional discount of 25% off if you are a new user, and 15% off if you are an existing user. So I really like this one. It is something I was looking at buying for a really long time. I absolutely love the material of this. It feels so nice and plush as well, and I'm so glad I got to pick this up. Next time I'm going to be showing you guys some jewelry. Like, I really like Urbanic for the jewelry that they have. I feel like they're really affordable, really good quality. They don't itch when you have them on your skin. So like this one which I'm wearing right now is from Urbanic. They don't oxidize easily, they don't tarnish over time, they look really nice and plush. So there are affordable jewelries in the market that you can get, but they kind of like, oxidize over time very fast, turn out to be black, look worn out. That doesn't happen with this. The first one I have is a small, reptilian design kind of a stud. It looks really nice, and it's very nice and elegant. Sometimes when you just want to wear a very simple earring, so not something that is dangling and all of that, you can try this out. It feels lightweight on the ears as well, and it's not at all itchy. And it has like a little bit of black color to it, white, and there are like minute studs to it, so it pairs pretty well with every single outfit, and you don't really have to worry about it contrasting with your outfit. The next one that I have is this earring that I have, which has pearl detailing. I thought it was a little bit bigger than it was, but I really like it this way as well. And yeah, I'm all in for these kind of oversized studs. It looks so good with so many different outfits again. And like right now, this sweater, I just really like how this is going, and it feels really nice and light on the ears. And these are really affordable, and most of the times you can find like buy one get one on their earrings and even their clothing items. So always check for really good offers on the app. Next up, I have this necklace which looks super cute and lightweight, and you won't believe the price of this. This is just for 190 rupees, and they feel so nice and plush. They look really nice and plush. You can wear this with your turtleneck as well, and it's like a simple dainty necklace with two strands to it. And yeah, I have so many such jewelry from Urbanic, so I would highly recommend you check out their jewelry collection. It's a vast collection, so take your time and check them out, and they are really nice. And the last one in terms of jewelry I'm going to be talking about are these hoop earrings. These are like silver hoop earrings, and I am always in for hoops, no matter if they're gold, they're silver. I really like it. I like the size of this as well. They don't really look too big on me. They're not like oversized, and they're not very heavy, so it's really nice like bling jewelry you can pair when you are like getting ready for like this party season, when you want to wear something like that. Absolutely amazing. And then the last one that I have is this black sling bag. They have this in multiple colors, but I really like black because it again goes with every single outfit. You don't really have to worry about it contrasting, and it looks so nice. It's really nice and compact. It does fit my phone in this pretty well, and probably you can carry like your lipstick or maybe compact, and it's a very compact sling bag. And even the finishing on the inside is really nice. Usually a lot of brands like fail to do a good finishing towards the inner part of the bag, where it looks a little shabby. It's not like that. Nobody would know the price of this bag when you like carry it around. It looks that good. I really like this one. If there's a bigger size of this, I'm all in for picking it up as well, because I really like it that much. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really liked everything that I picked up. I will make sure to link the Urbanic app in the description box down below, along with all the product links. So make sure to check the app for like really good discounts. Buy one get one. You score a good deal, and the products are really good. And of course, make sure to use my coupon code as well. I have shopped from this app multiple times. The shipping of these products have been really hassle free. You can choose the type of payment you want to make, if you want to prepay your payment or cash on delivery. And also if you want to check like the timeline of the product delivery date, you can just enter the pin code, and it would show you like your estimated delivery date, so you're like aware of when it's going to be delivered to you when you're ordering it. and they have multiple varying timelines for each product to be delivered, so make sure to check that before you place an order, especially if you are looking forward to ordering it for a certain occasion. So yeah, let me know what you think about these products, if you have shopped from this app, and what is that you specially shop from this app. Let me know in the comment section down below, and while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.